How to make money on YouTube without making any videos. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Erfan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how we can make money on YouTube without making any videos. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to do something crazy. You don't have to have any special lightings, camera, nothing. I'm going to share with you how you can do that in the easiest way. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to here, because I'm posting every single week that how you can make money online with different platforms, and make sure to check out my previous videos as well. And please, if you like this video, at the end of this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It's gonna help me more than you think. So without further ado, let's get into it right now. So guys, this method is super easy. At the same time, it's gonna make you a lot of profits if you keep doing it constantly. So, and the first thing you need to do, the first thing I want to show you as an example is by going to a channel like this one, which is no copyright musics. So if you search the term no copyright music, you see a couple of options pop up in the first page, like this channel right here and this channel right here. So no copyright musics, as the name implies, it means that you can easily download those musics and use it as your own term without any problem. So you can easily upload them and you can monetize them. So for example, this channel right here, no copyright sounds, NCS. So if you click on that, you see that this channel has more than 29 million subscribers, which is a huge amount. And if I want to get into details even more, we can go to the website called socialblade.com. So if you go to socialblade.com and if you search this channel's name on this website, you see the results are crazy, guys. So no copyright sounds, they have more than 893 uploads and 29.7 million subscribers, which is crazy, guys. And their videos have got 9 billion views in total. So, and as you can see, this channel gets 154 million views every single month. And also you can see their revenue here between $50,000 to $782,000 every month by just monetizing their videos, guys, which is, this channel is huge and it was made in UK, and it's the third channel in UK. I mean, the third biggest channel in UK, which is crazy, guys. As you can see, go to this website and check it out yourself. You can put in any channel you want, but this channel is a big one. So, and if you go back to this channel again, and if you go to about section, you see that they said that these videos are copyright free, stream free, safe record label. So as I said, you can easily download them and use it for your own. You can upload them on your channel, and then I'm gonna show you how we can do that, because you need to download them and then you need to add a video too, and then you put it on your YouTube channel, because you're not gonna like download this exact same video and put it on your channel. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So if you search for can I monetize NCS music, which is no copyright song musics, you see that in this section they said that yes, but make sure you follow the guidelines in the NCS usage policy. So go to Google and search it. You see that you can monetize this kind of music. Okay, so we're gonna download one of these music as an example right now, and then you see that the videos get huge amount of views, guys. 377,000, 900,000 views. And if you go to the most popular one, you see that the most popular got 434 million views. It's crazy, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go over like their channel, and then I'm gonna choose this song right here. So, and if you choose this song, and if you go to the description, you see that they have a couple of links that you can download their music for free. free. So you can download it for free right here on their website, but there's an easy way. There's an easier way that you can do that. So the only thing you need to do is just copy the link of the video, and after that go to the website called y2mate.com. So in y2mate.com, if you go there and then if you search, so let me refresh the page for you. So if you go there and if you paste the link right here, you see that the video pops up here, but make sure that it's a correct link, otherwise it doesn't pop up. So after that, go to audio section. So we have video and audio, go to audio section, and then here you have 4 options for like different qualities, but I'm gonna go for 128 or 64, it doesn't really matter, but for this purpose I'm gonna go for this one right here. You convert it and then you download the music. That's it. So I already downloaded it, it's right here, guys. I already downloaded it, it's right here. So after you downloaded your favorite music, your favorite song, after you like checked out the channel, so you like the video, you download it the way that I told you right now, and after that you want a video to put this song on that. So you go to pixabay.com or pixels.com. So, and after that you search for you can search for like, you can search for music, or you can search for, you can search for dynamic music if you want. Dynamic music. There's so many things that you can go for right here. Or what you can do, you don't have to search anything here. You just go to pixabay.com and you select videos right here. So if you click on that, you see that tons of videos pop up for you, and you can choose whatever you want, because you just want to put that music on one of these videos right here. So, and all of these videos are like dynamic. So for example, if I want to show you something, it can be, this one is cool. This one is kind of, let me check it out. So if you choose this one, yeah, it's a dynamic video, it's a cool one, I like it. So but if you want to search more, you can click on discover more, and then more videos will pop up for you. So for example, this one. So I like this one, and then I can download it for 100% free of charge. You click on free download right here, and then you choose a quality here. So this is the best one for 52, but you know, I can go for 1920 by 1080. It totally depends on you. You click on download, and then you can download the video right here. Now I have both song and the videos. So I have the song and the video, and then the next thing I should do is downloading a free video editor. You don't have to pay for the premium one. I'm using Camtasia, which is paid, but you can go for the free version of it, and you can search for free video editor right here. So if you scroll down, you see openshot.org, and this is the one that I personally recommend because they have a good service. It's very easy to use. I'm going to show you how you can use it. So you go to openshot.com, and then here you download it for free. So I already downloaded it, and I have it ready right here. So I have the song ready, I have the video ready, and I have my free video editor ready, and I'm ready to go. I'm set. So after downloading this, the only thing you need to do is just go into the application, and then here you can import files. So for this one, I can choose the song and the video that I've chosen. So I'm going to choose this one, the song, and also I can choose my video. Where is it? So my video should be somewhere around here. So I've chosen my song and the video that I've downloaded. So the only thing you need to do is just drag the video and drop it right here. As you can see, I dragged the video and I dropped it right here. So it's a drag and drop process, guys, super easy. And the same thing you can do with this song. So I drag it and drop it exactly below it. So as you can see, these two files are overlapped. So I put the video first, and then I put the song exactly beneath it. So if I play it, you see that the video and the song are playing at the same time. So the song is exactly on the video, and if you want to extend the time, you can duplicate the video. So you can click on it and you can duplicate it. So I'm not really perfect with this app because I don't use this when I use Camtasia, but there's definitely a section for duplication. So you can do that, and then you can like do it for 1 hour, for 2 hours. It depends that how long you want your video to be. So I usually do it for 45 minutes to an hour. You just keep duplicating the video and the song, and you extend your video, and after that you export it. So just play around with this, guys, because you don't have to pay anything for it. It's free, but I use Camtasia. It's like totally different from this one. I'm not really good with it, but I just wanted to show you the concept of this process, that how easy it is. So you put the video, your song, that's it, you are done, guys. So after that, the only thing you need to do is just exporting the files, and you upload it on your channel, and you keep doing the same process. You go to Pixabay, you download your desired video, and then you go to the channel, any channel that have like white label songs, and you can download them, you can overlap them with this application. So after doing all of this, guys, so the only after that there's an important step that I want to show you right now. So imagine you have everything ready, but you want to upload it on your channel. So you want to do some research, very minor research. So do you remember this channel right here? So for example, if you download this music here, you can exactly copy and paste the same caption, but rephrase it. Not exactly the same thing, but you can clone the caption and the description, so you get more views. And if you want to even know which tags they use, you can download this software here, vidIQ, which is an add-on for Chrome that shows you all the analytics for the specific channel. So for example, for this one, it shows that they use these tags right here. So they are ranking 7 for this keyword here, and they're ranking 11 for this keyword, they're ranking 14 for this keyword. You know that which keywords they are using. You can copy these keywords and paste it on your video, so you get more views by using vidIQ add-on. So that's it, guys. That's it. You just need to have a similar caption, a similar title, and a similar keywords, and then you're good to go. But don't forget that you need to keep doing the same process. These guys have been doing it for 7 years, so you just can't put one you just can't upload one video and expect for 1 million views. You need to keep doing it over and over. But so this method that I showed you right now was for YouTube monetization, because your purpose is to monetize your videos after a certain amount of time. If you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But there's also another way that you can make money off, which is affiliate marketing. So at the same time you're trying to monetize your channel, it's a perfect idea to add a little bit of more spice to your income, which is affiliate marketing. For example, I want to show you an example. So if you go to Amazon.com right here, if you search for music, you see that there are so many products regarding music that you can start promoting. So for example, I don't know, we can promote a speaker, we can promote musical instruments or something like this. You can promote a Spotify gift cards, something related to your video. You choose the product, and after that you go to Amazon affiliate program, which is right here, and it's affiliate-program.amazon.com. If you search it on Google, you see it, and then you see that you sign up for free, you recommend the product, and you earn money per sale, which is up to 10% to 15%. So it's a really great idea, guys, because over time you're gonna get more subscribers, you get more views, and if you add an affiliate link to your description, you get more sales. At the same time, you're making money from your YouTube channel. That easy, guys. 2 ways you're actually killing 2 birds with 1 stone, monetizing your channel and putting an affiliate link in your description. That's how easy it is. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing, which is the best way to make money online, guys, I gathered around the course which you can find the link down below in the description, guys. And I wanted to let you know that there's a huge discount on my course for a limited time. As you're watching this video, it's probably still on, so go check it out, guys. There's gonna be a full affiliate marketing course from A to Z, everything you need to do to start affiliate marketing for free, so you don't have to run paid ads. I'm going to teach you how paid ads work too, but this process is going to be free of charge. So go check it out, guys, and don't forget to drop a comment below my video, because I want to see that what your opinion is about all this stuff that I covered right now. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.